Hello guys, my name is Sherif and today we'll talk about standard partition. So first of all, let me see how many disks I have in my system. So I have only one disk /dev SDA. The SD mean SCSI disk and the A mean the first SCSI disk, and SDA1 and SDA2 means SDA1 is the first partition and SDA2 is the second partition. So that means the first SCSI disk has two partitions, SDA1 and SDA2. So let me see if I have free space on that disk, so I can do the partition. CF disk, sorry. Yeah, I don't have free space here, so let me quit and add a new disk. To add a new disk, you go to VM settings, add hard disk, next. So here you can specify the size you want. Finish. So let's verify it. No, it's not showing, so let me go ahead and reboot my system. Okay, so the system is up now. Let's verify it again. /dev SD store. So the new disk is here, SDB. So the B means is the second SCSI disk. Now let's go ahead and do the partition. So I run the command fdisk /dev SDB. If you can see, I have two warnings. The first warning is invalid flag, and the second one is DOS compatible. So to avoid those warnings, I have to create a DOS label on the disk. So I run make DOS fs/i /dev SDB. So I just create a DOS label on the disk. So let's run our command again, fdisk. So the first warning is gone, but I still have one warning. So to avoid the second warning, you run the command fdisk-cu on the disk. And as you can see, the second warning too has disappeared. So now we can start doing our partition. So the command M is help. It show you all the options you have. On the disk, you can create 4 partitions, 3 primary partitions and 1 extended partition. And from that extended partition, you can create more partitions. So let's go ahead and add our first partition on the disk. So I hit N for add the new partitions. I will specify P for primary. I specify the partition is the first partition. The first setter is default. The first setter, I'll just here I can give the size to the partition, or 1 to the partition. So don't forget the sign plus. So plus 5 gig, I'll just give 5 gig to that partition. So to verify it, P to verify it. So as you can see, the system created SDB1. So let's go ahead and create another partition. N for new partition, P for primary is the second partition. So here I'll give 4 gig. We hit P to verify it again. So our SDB2 is created. Let's go ahead and create the third primary partition. N, P for primary, 3. And now I can give like 3 gig P to verify it. So I have 3 partitions here. So we have 3 primary partitions on the disk. So the next partition should be extended. So let's go ahead and create the extended partition. New. So instead of P, I'll hit E for extended. So for the extended partition, you just give all the remaining free space to the extended partition. So to do so, while you have to specify the size, just press enter and the system will give the remaining space to the extended partition. But remember, with the extended partition, you can really do nothing with the extended partition. The extended partition means from the extended partition you can create more partitions. So just hit P to verify it. So here we go, this is our extended partition, SDB4. Now let's go ahead and add more partitions. New. So if you, as you can see, instead does ask us if you want to create a primary or extended. So you can just go ahead and create the new partition. Here I can specify the size. Let's say 500 megabyte. I hit P to verify it. This is my SDB5. Let's go ahead and create another partition again. And first enter plus 200 megabyte. P to verify it. So I have C partition, 3 primary partition, 1 extended, and 2 more partition. So to save it, you press W. W means write. So we run the command part1 /dev sdb to force the kernel to reread the partition table. Yep. Now let's confirm it. /dev sd store. So as you can see, our SDB has 6 partitions: SDB 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the first disk, SDA, has 2 partitions: SDA 1 and SDA 2. So this is how you can create a standard partition. Thank you guys for watching, and in the next video we will talk about how to mount a standard partition. Okay, see you next time. Bye.